None of what we've built so far matters if Claude can't securely log into your instance. In this video, we're setting up the OAuth Application Registry that handles exactly that. To get there, click the All menu and find Application Registry under System OAuth. Click New, and on the Interceptor page, we want to select Create an OAuth API endpoint for external clients. This one's marked as deprecated, but don't worry about that. On the form that opens, we'll start by giving our registry a name, in this case, Claude MCP connector. Then we'll set the authentication redirect URL, which is provided by your AI client. I'm using the one specific to Claude. Next, I'm going to set the token format to JWT, add the user account auth scope to grant the client access to user account information and preferences, and click Save in the hamburger menu. Side note, the user account auth scope grants the client broad access to all REST APIs in the instance. The MCP server will limit what the AI client can do, but you should consider creating a custom auth scope with tighter restrictions. Also, you may need to change some things on this form if you're using a provider other than Claude. Now that the application registry is saved, make a note of the client ID and the client secret. You will need these when we connect to the MCP server in Claude. So there you go. Your application registry is saved, and you've got a client ID and client secret ready to go. Next, we'll head into the MCP server console and turn our REST API into actual MCP tools that an AI model can use.